Hello everybody. This will be a video of a full update of kind of an older box, but as we understand now, it doesn't really matter how the box is old as long as the operating system allows us to work with the apps. So storage and reset in this box is here. Factory data reset. Click erase everything, and it will start doing the factory data reset. I'm gonna pause this for now because I don't want to spend your time on this while I do it, and we'll get back to it when the factory data reset is done. So we're back, and I need to give the box a couple of seconds. After a complete data reset, it still needs to load all the apps in the background. So usually if you just did a factory data reset, you'll notice that there's not enough apps in the app section. In this case, they're popping up. I noticed that the box, this is not really where I want it. Usually, in most boxes, we'll find it under settings. In this box, there's an extended settings called Droid settings. And then display. I want to position the screen. I'll take this to 96 or 95. This box has a navigation bar right here. You can hide it, you can reveal it. Of course, the square allows us to swipe all the apps. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna install several apps, not too many, just so the user can use the box, and then of course customize it to his own experience. So right now it's fresh, so it's kind of heavy, and everything we do, we approve it like the first time for use. This is just Google Chrome. I'm not gonna register right now. I'm gonna click no thanks. I'm gonna start with B TV, and then I'm gonna write APK. That stands for Android package. Right here, I'm gonna choose it. I'm just going for the first link. Of course, if you want a different app, you can always try different apps or different links as well. Requires scrolling down to find where the link is. There's ads in it and stuff like that. I'm just removing that marking. So I see there's the latest version, original. In this case, I'm just gonna use Chrome to download this application. I'm gonna just give it always permission. It's still asking to open up the permissions. I'm gonna allow. It requires this kind of things only first time. So I'm just scrolling here, click OK, and it's downloading. I know it's downloading because right here it's showing me that it's downloading. Most likely around here it will tell me to open. If the open disappears, it's not a big deal because I have here a tab that I can click and I can always access the downloads. I just clicked on open. and install. And I am installing BTV. I'm just gonna zoom out a little bit. Takes a little time. So the box is pretty old. I think it has more than 4 years. In the beginning, it's very heavy. I'm pretty sure that Google Play Services needs an update and a couple of other things. I'm just covering the basics. So I downloaded one application. I'm clicking done. I'll open up a second tab and I'm gonna write HB player APK. Let me just bring it closer for you guys. HB player APK. So you'll see what I'm doing exactly. Takes me to a website. I'm just gonna go here to the first link. This app is also available on Google Play, but I'm not registered right now, so I'm just gonna side load it. Click allow, download. Just gonna zoom out here and so click on this. Download, open. So I just downloaded the player that we're gonna use while we're running BTV. Of course, you can download several players and you can switch and you can customize. Everything is possible for you. I'm just showing one way. So it's installing. We'll just give it a couple of more seconds. I'll pause the video while it's waiting. So we just finished doing installing the app and it says open or done. I'm just gonna click done for now. Gives me some notification. I don't know what this is exactly, but I'm just gonna open up another tab and pretty much the last app that I'm gonna install, it's called Add Card, and then I'm gonna punch in APK, which is Android package, and I'm gonna punch in mod. That's short for modified. Find the link and get a bunch of websites. I'll choose one that I know, but other ones can be the same. I'm scrolling down, finding the link. This one has something called download page. They're gonna bombard me with ads and stuff, but I'm already aware of this. Click on something, it opens up some kind of an ad, which is pretty much a scam. So I'm just gonna click block and close. Well, block and close, block. And so the first link didn't work for me, so I'm gonna try the second link. Again, close.
Congratulations.
Okay, so now it pulled the link. Click. Another scam. Okay. Open. Because this is kind of a problematic website, because it hits you with a lot of ads, I'm gonna install on this one. Just gonna make sure that this is the right version. If not, I'm just gonna erase it. It's not a big deal. It's not a problem at all. Just gonna pause this while it's doing the installation. So we're back, and as we see, it's finished. See the bottom of the screen. I'm just gonna point it out. Where's my finger? Here it is. See that? Click open. Let's give it a second. AdGuard is ad blocker and a local VPN, which gives us a layer of protection. And it's that simple. So you just click. Enable. And I clicked twice. So I'm just gonna up. I give it a second, and usually it's supposed to give me a notification that it wants to do a VPN. It's called the local VPN. Uh, Here it is. Click. I was just waiting for the notification. I got it. I can get out. And at this point, I can pretty much close everything here because I don't need it. Just gonna get out of the Chrome. And just to make it simple, I click on the plus and I remove all the apps that I don't want to be on the front page. Just uncheck them and check the apps that I do want to be in the short links, and here it is. Now we have BTV that we're launching for the first time. Of course, the app is freshly installed, so it requires a little uh, motivation, I guess. I'm just gonna try to speed up the box. I'm just gonna close everything, clear everything, get back to it. This is a mid-range box and it's pretty old, so it's kind of slow. It's loading. It will have loaded anyway, but I don't really like waiting. Anyway, so now the app is on, and what I need to do is I need to make sure, like a system check, just to make sure that it's playing using the player. So I'm just gonna go to some show, let it load, go to some episode. Everything is very random at this point. I'm just trying, it's a system check. So I'm just waiting it to give me the links. You can choose whatever link you want. I'm just gonna choose something random here. Let's see if it works. There is an issue. No, there's no issue. Okay. So we're not gonna play the show, of course. And exit. And part of me checking that everything works is the app works. And because I'm stepping out and there's no ad, it means that the ad blocker is working and uh, everything's good. So this was basically it. We did in this video we did a full update, factory data reset, meaning we started the box from scratch. We installed one application, but it will be the same process for every application. In this case, BTV. We added the ad guard to get some protection between us and the internet. No ads, improves the experience inside of the apps, and of course, keeps us safe. So this was it, and thank you very much. I hope you um, enjoy your boxes.